Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the exact number you want marked not reachable and which system controls it, your carrier, handset, or VoIP IP app. Once done, make sure you back up contacts and note any active call forwarding or simultaneous ring rules that could interfere. Open the phone settings or your VoIP IP administration console and go directly to call handling, blocking, or present status. You're starting the process now, so you can make the number appear unreachable without affecting other lines. Next, choose the specific behavior that makes the number appear not reachable. Block calls, reject with a busy tone, or set a custom unavailable response. Then adjust routing. Send calls to voicemail, route to an automated reply that states unreachable, or drop the call outright. Apply the configuration to that single number within your device or account settings. After saving, test the change immediately using a second phone, so you can confirm callers receive the intended unreachable signal. To finish, verify the setting has propagated to all linked devices and, if applicable, the carrier network. Allow a few minutes for updates. If the number remains reachable, clear the app or phone cache, restart the device, and then reapply the rule. Sometimes local caches override changes. If problems persist, contact your carrier or VoIP support to enforce network-side blocking or to check call routing policies. A single troubleshooting tip: always test from an unrelated phone number to avoid cached results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.